I'm going to teach you how to count unique values in Excel in under 2 minutes. If you need to count unique values for data analysis, the unique function is what you need. Let's get started. Here we have a table with a list of product names in column B. We want to count how many unique product names are in this list. To get started, let's begin by entering the unique command. The unique function takes one parameter, the range of cells that you want to extract unique values from. In our example, we'll enter the range B2 to B20. This function will return an array of unique product names from the range. So type equals unique B2 to B20 and press enter. When you press enter, you'll see a list of unique values from the range B2 to B20 displayed in the cell where you entered the formula, spilling over into the cells below it. Now we have the unique values, but we need to count them. This can be done easily by combining it with the COUNTA function. But before we continue, if you want to become an Excel master, I'm giving away my $397 beginner to expert Excel course for free to all my subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment "I want the course" below. I'll send you a personal link to download it for free. Now let's continue. The COUNTA function counts the number of non-blank cells in a range. We will nest the unique function inside the COUNTA function. The complete formula looks like this. Equals COUNTA, unique B2 to B20. Press enter, and you should see the number of unique product names in the selected cell. And that's how it works.